Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix an error C637 for iRobot Roomba. To do this, first it will appear when you connect your robot to the app, and what you can do is basically relaunch the app, so fully close it like I just did with the App Center on our phone, and then we can open the app again. And after that, you will see your Roomba right here, and we can perform the setup. And this should fix the issue. And this will basically reset up your robot, and we'll need to go through that process again. So you need a charging station, robot, and Wi-Fi password, and make sure that your Wi-Fi is 2.4G. Since 5G networks doesn't support that specific robot that I have, it's J7 Plus. Now let's click on Get Started, and we'll need our charging station set up somewhere where there's Wi-Fi connection. I have it right here, so it should work fine. Then we can continue, connect it to the Wi-Fi, and at the meantime, we'll need to enter a Wi-Fi pairing mode on our robot by clicking on power button once, then click on the home and spot button at the same time to enter Wi-Fi connection mode. You'll hear the chime, and then we can move on with the phone setup. Yes, continue. Enter the password for Wi-Fi and make sure that's the right password. And also, if you want to change to different network, you need to do it on your phone right here. Just switch to the Wi-Fi that you want to connect your robot with. Now as I said before, it asks for the home and the spot button. Let's click on that again, just make sure. We pressed the button, so let's continue. So here's our robot ready to connect. Click on the connect button.
Connected to Roomba. Please use the iRobot app to complete setup. Your Roomba is completely set up and ready to go.
So now we can continue. Name our robot. Okay, so it's done. There's the introduction. I'm just gonna skip through that to see if the error is gone. And yep, the error is gone, and now we can start using the robot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.